Hi, it's Diane. This is for Modular 10. One of the questions you asked was, what is your experience you've had with technologies as a student or as a teacher? Well, we use a projector with a whiteboard in my Sunday school class. So I've never personally hooked it up, but I can run it to make the computer work on the wall. That's about as much of interactive technology that I've actually had in a class. With the whiteboard and the remote, I would choose the Active Panel iSeries only because it eliminates having to have a projector, and they seem pretty affordable. Applications, well, that's a hard one. On Cohort, I played a game, quiz. I did a quiz on different current events that were going on. And I really liked that one. Sarah Creative, the quizzes, the apps, the real-time results, I actually liked that one too. Peer Deck, excellent for sharing no matter where you are, even if you're across the world. And Seesaw was great because you really get to know the student, like you really get to be in touch. If I was going to choose one that I would use in my classroom, the experience I had on the Seesaw website is probably the website that I would pick, the app that I would pick to be able to interact with my students. As far as goes for the projector, I put a PowerPoint on my page and a link to where you could, the best price where you could buy it. I did compare it. I picked an Epson's and I did compare it to another projector off of one of the other sites that you had given us to look at. The Epson was more affordable. I stayed way under budget, and it just seemed like it had more features, was more lightweight, more convenient, and really great. And it even hooked up to Wi-Fi. The other one did not hook up to Wi-Fi, so it was very portable. So that's the one that I chose this time.